Greetings, dear clients and valued subscribers. This is ISON Company with you. In this video, we will be reviewing a PTZ dome surveillance camera, model 540KDE. I will tell you everything in detail about this camera. Let's begin by carefully removing the protective film, which is often quite thin and transparent, so that it absolutely does not distract us from the important task at hand. So this is a dome surveillance camera in a metal housing. It's universal. It can be used both indoors and outdoors. Let me answer a popular question right away. How is it mounted? It can be mounted only on a wall, or it can be mounted on a ceiling. It's universal. It can be mounted both on a wall and on a ceiling. This bracket is included in the package. It can be removed, and you can install a separate bracket accordingly for ceiling mounting. And this way you can set it up just the way you want. By the way, this is an advantage of this surveillance camera, because other similar models require you to buy these brackets separately if you want to mount them on a wall, whereas here, the wall bracket is already included in the package. The camera, as I mentioned earlier, is a pan-tilt camera. It rotates left and right by 355 degrees and up and down by 70 degrees. And you can control this electronically from your phone, tablet or computer. The camera can operate autonomously, meaning you can connect it with its own power supply without a video recorder, connect it to a network, or it can also work with video recorders. And ISON offers dedicated ready-made video surveillance systems called ISON Creed SX. These are complete kits that include everything necessary for the camera to function. There are configurations ranging from 1 to 64 cameras, meaning you can choose sets for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 16, 20, 32, and 64 cameras. And these kits include cameras, cables with PoE support, which means power and data are transmitted through a single cable, video recorders, hard drives, power supplies, and all the necessary mounting hardware. In other words, it's a convenient kit for self-installation. You take it out of the box, plug it into the socket, and everything works. The camera package, in addition to the mounting brackets, also includes all the necessary instructions. Here there's a separate internal power supply unit. This is used accordingly if your camera is not connected via PoE. For example, if you're looking at the ready-made ISON Creed SX kits, they don't use power supply units. The surveillance camera connects via PoE using a single twisted pair cable to the video recorder, and the video recorder provides the power. If you have a specific setup, then accordingly this camera can receive power from a switch. The switch is then connected directly to the video recorder. Also included in the package as usual are mounting hardware and protective caps, and of course the box itself. There's a built-in microphone and speaker here. All of this is of very high quality. Overall, it should be said that the camera is high quality in every respect, both in terms of build and video recording quality, as well as pixel detail. It features a very good powerful sensor, progressive scan, excellent audio recording, and a powerful built-in speaker. The warranty for this camera is, as usual, 3 years. The camera comes with an IP66 protection rating. It is dust and moisture proof, so it can be installed both indoors and outdoors. The camera has a powerful built-in infrared illuminator with a range of up to 15 meters. Moreover, it doesn't use the old, terrible 5th generation R-infrared LEDs, but instead features modern IR illumination based on the latest generation of LEDs. The camera also features built-in DWDR and 3DNR technologies. DWDR is a technology that improves image quality in poor or uneven lighting conditions. In other words, no matter where you install your surveillance camera, several times a day you'll encounter situations where sunlight hits the lens, or conversely, a shadow falls across it. And with surveillance cameras that don't have this technology, you'll have the problem that at those moments everything in the frame will appear black, faces will be unrecognizable, and license plates will be unreadable. But here there's a technology in place that solves this problem. At the same time, this is not a copy or a replica, it's the original DWDR technology. Keep in mind, when choosing equipment for yourself, that right now at least 50% of surveillance cameras being produced are made by unscrupulous makeshift manufacturers from AliExpress who claim their cameras have WDR. In reality, this technology is not present. Here it's specifically real WDR technology, meaning a genuine technology that solves the problem described above. 3DNR technology is a feature that reduces the amount of noise that is static during nighttime recording. This camera also has a built-in motion sensor. Moreover, it's an intelligent sensor. You can adjust its sensitivity and set the specific area where the motion sensor will be triggered. The camera can also send notifications to your smartphone when the motion sensor is triggered.